Getting in some more reports right now. India's response fired 6 missiles on Indian cities. Pakistan targeted Amritsar with missiles. In fact, ballistic missiles was being fired on Punjab cities, including Amritsar. India has essentially retaliated with a hit on Noor Khan base in Rawalpindi. And there's been a massive escalation by Pakistan. In fact, Pakistani have actually launched a ballistic missile, and India has struck back in response to the Pakistani escalation. The latest reports now coming in, Pakistani missiles that have targeted cities in Punjab and Haryana. Noor Khan base was hit with 2 missiles. We're given to understand that the Pakistani Air Force base in Murid and Surkot has also been hit. 3 air bases that have been targeted in the retaliatory Indian strikes. We are also picking up that India has already activated its MRSAM in Sirsa, that is primarily to take down a Pakistani missile that was fired at Sirsa Air Base of the Indian Air Force. In fact, Noor Khan base also happens to be a logistic hub for the Pakistani Air Force, and it also hosts several of their transport aircrafts, which we are being told. And these are the latest images that are also now coming in from Pakistan right now. There's absolute chaos, and particularly in Rawalpindi, where there have been multiple explosions that have taken place. Pakistani media now making multiple claims about explosions that have taken place through the night. In fact, you've had Pakistan essentially responding right now with ballistic missiles that were fired earlier in the day. In fact, now we're getting in details of what we're being told as the response now coming in. Now, let me just take you through what we know so far. There are multiple explosions that have been reported now coming in from Pakistan's Rawalpindi, and there are also secondary explosions after a precision strike that was basically carried out by India, Pakistan Air Force's base, Noor Khan, which basically houses, remember, their transport aircrafts, which have also responded. Now, these are the latest details that we're getting in. Well, let me also take you through some of the details that we're getting in. These are reports coming in a while back. An hour ago, we are given to understand that there have been certain reports of retaliatory strikes over some of the Pakistani targets. Now, this is only as a response because we're given to understand that India's response essentially came in only after 6 missiles were basically targeted on Indian cities. Pakistan essentially targeted Amritsar with missiles. Not just that, we are also picking up that ballistic missiles were basically launched by Pakistan on Punjab cities, including Amritsar, and India has essentially retaliated with a hit on Noor Khan base in Rawalpindi. Now, undoubtedly, there has been a major escalation that we are looking at, as India has already activated the MRSAM in Sirsa too.
The other measures that have been put in place by way of the Ministry of Home Affairs regulation on civil defense, everything else seems to be normal as of now. Play some net sounds there. We have some visuals sourced from Pakistani social media handles and Pakistani media handles. Can we play those net sounds and show the scale of destruction that has been caused?
लाटा शाटा बंद करी छोड़ो, सब कुछ बंद करो, सब कुछ बंद करो। चुप लाटा शाटा बंद करी छोड़ो, सब कुछ बंद करो, सब कुछ बंद करो। उना क्या खो थल्ला रोला ना बाण इथु जाना है इथु ही।
All right, those are pictures that establish India's retaliatory airstrikes, and we can continue breaking some other developments. In fact, Pakistan's DG ISPR, which is held by General Chaudhry, he has confirmed the Indian airstrikes. Now, of course, our official position would be out in some time. But what is important is that Pakistan has also issued a NOTAM, and which is notice to airmen, and Pakistan has shut down all. Pakistan has shut down its airspace for all kinds of traffic. These are the details that we have as of now.
चुप लाटा शाटा बंद करी छोड़ो, सब कुछ बंद करो, सब कुछ बंद।
All right, more details. We should keep breaking. Pakistan has issued a NOTAM and has declared its airspace shut for May 9 and 10. Shuts its airspace for May 9 and 10. This is clearly a case of escalation from the Pakistani side, which is being responded to.
बेस ही जीना, बेस ही सटियाने। चुप लाटा शाटा बंद करी छोड़ो, सब कुछ बंद करो, सब कुछ बंद करो। चुप लाटा शाटा बंद करी छोड़ो, सब कुछ बंद करो, सब कुछ बंद करो। उना क्या खो चुप लाटा शाटा बंद करी छोड़ो, सब कुछ बंद करो, सब कुछ बंद करो। उना क्या खो थल्ला रोला ना बाण इथु जाना है इथु ही।